How to add a favicon in WordPress. This is very easy. What I've done is I've just logged into my WordPress admin. Now here from the left hand side we will hover over appearance and then we want to select the option to customize. Now this should open up the website editor like so, and here from the left hand side we will first go to site identity. And then you should be able to see this section here for site icon. The site icon is what you see in browser tab. So this is basically the favicon that we want to change or add. So here we'll just click on select site icon and then select files, and we will just locate it on our computer here, the file. And I will just highlight it and open it up. And now right here, it should be highlighted like so. And if I click on select, this is going to be my favicon. And as you can see, it's going to show us a preview of what it's going to look as a browser icon. And if we select skip cropping here, then it's going to give us this image, and we'll just save the changes. And that's how you add a favicon on your WordPress website. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.